Hey guys, Eddie Davin here with another video. I want to show you something really cool and you OEMs are gonna love this. So I made this and this is a tappable metal service badge. And the idea is to replace these stickers commonly found in many equipment, not just even printing equipment. And this sticker basically is if I have an issue with the machine, I'm gonna call a phone number on the sticker or go to this website and then enter in this ID. What if there was an easier way? What if I could just tap and just do a service call? Check this out. So, magnetic, but we can also make a sticker, right? And I'm going to take my phone and then I'm going to tap. And when I tap, it loads up this menu. And what this is, it was actually a menu that would allow me to book a service call right off the bat. And this actually goes directly to the page of the service page of this actual machine, the serial number, this unit itself. So if you have different units and these badges are on these different units, all you need to do is tap and you're actually at that unit's service call page. Same thing with the order supplies. Again, when I tapped it, it's linked to this machine. So look, I can order supplies just for this machine. How hard is that? I mean, calling the number, waiting on hold, instead of just tapping and send, and it's done. That's amazing, right? Frictionless, frictionless service. So, also video tutorials. If you're new to the machine, very helpful. Manuals, of course, user manuals, right? And it really depends on what kind of things you can interact with. And one great thing about Konica Minolta is that they have a great recycling program. It's called Clean Planet. But sometimes it's hard to remember where to go, who to contact. It's kind of hidden. So I actually put this in here as part of the menu. Basically, you could tap the badge and get this. And all you need to do is tap the Clean Planet button. And there you go. Scroll down to this page. And you just basically create a label by just clicking there. And there you go. And shortly later, your label will come and you can ship your empty and spent supplies. And there you go. So this is just something amazing that makes things a little bit more easier for the actual PSP as well, or equipment, the owner of the equipment, to basically get that level of service very quickly, very frictionless, very easy. But it doesn't end there. So I did mention that this is a service badge, but what if I wanted to contact sales because this is getting old and I wanted it in a machine? And sometimes, some industries turn around fast and you don't even know who your salesperson is. And that actually is a true story happened to me. At one point, I didn't even know who my salesperson was and I had to call around. But check this out. If I were to tap this button, if you notice, you might have, it says contact sales. I know exactly who my salesperson is just by tapping. This could change any moment, and this can be updated at any moment. So if you have a new salesperson representing a new territory, things move around. This can just update it just like that, remotely and instantly. So the customer will always know who to contact. And it's easy to contact. So after I tap, click that button to contact our sales rep, I could text the sales rep right away, and it loads up my text messaging. I can call. So it loads up the dialer with the phone number already built in. All I needed to click is the call button. Email. I can download the V card. But check this. I can look at the equipment page. I'm interested in getting an upgrade. I can actually look at what's available. What is the current Konica Minolta lineup, right? Industrial and print. And book a demo. Booking a demo just by filling a form. Can you imagine that? So, I mean, this opens up the possibility, and it's really not about like one transactional, one single point of use. This is actually a device where you're building a connection with that customer, a connection that's frictionless, and a connection that would, drive productivity at both ends, and also drive sales as well, right? So just think about that. Just something to think about. We're super excited about this. I'm going to be launching this. I'm going to be introducing. So, to all you OEMs who deal with me, hey, expect a call soon. Anyways, that's it for now. Eddie down with the big dogs, and I'll see you in the next one.